Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the Jewellery Thai Beauty bag. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. So inside the courier packaging we have the bag very nicely bubble wrapped. So this is how the beautiful bag looks like. It is in black metal or gunmetal kind of color. And it has this bow detailing here. Very beautiful, shiny and stylish, perfect for party wear. This is how it looks from backside. It has two sections actually, two partitions from inside. We have all the products inside. Let me take them out. So this is how it looks from inside. It has two partitions like this. There is a zipper here as well for expensive things or cash, something like that. And there is a golden sling as well. A good quality sling. So you can use this as a clutch or a sling bag. It is pretty spacious. It is not a small sling bag. It will carry almost all your stuff that you need to carry with you. I definitely liked it a lot. It is a party wear but a subtle shiny piece. You can carry this to your dinner as well or any casual date in the night time. And this is something that you can carry with both western and ethnic outfits, because the design is something that goes with both. So definitely I'm very impressed with this sling bag itself. The quality and the material finishing, everything is very impressive. You can choose the color of this bag as well. There are 5 colors. There is a golden, silver, this gunmetal shade and a rose gold color. So you can choose any one of them. Now after that, in makeup we have this organistic lip color with new formulation. This is an organic lipstick. It has the goodness of jojoba oil, argan oil and shea butter. It is paraben, animal fat and petrochemical free. The cost of this product is 299 rupees. Best before 24 months from manufacture. Net weight is 4 grams. And here is the list of ingredients. You can see how good these ingredients are. It is something like a lip balm for your lips, but it is a lipstick with high color payoff. It has castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, shea butter, carnauba wax, beeswax, natural iron oxide, D and C color and titanium dioxide. This lipstick comes with a shade choice and the one I chose is this classic maroon shade in the number 21. This is how the packaging of the product looks like. I already have a pink color shade of this lipstick and it is pretty good. I got it in my first Thai Beauty bag. Let me open the outer cover. So it has some kind of floral pattern at the bottom and here it says Organistics. This is how the shade number 21 looks like and this is how the color swatch looks like. It is indeed a very nice deep maroon color. It has a bit of purple undertone which is not much visible on camera, but it has a beautiful purple or wine tinge to it. It is perfect for winter season. It will suit all skin tones, especially on darker skin tones. It will look very lovely. For fairer skin tones, it is a bit of bold and gothy kind of shade. You can of course tone it down by applying just a little bit of it. I definitely like the shade. I like dark shades like these. These are perfect for ethnic wear as well, and as it is winter season, I am very happy to choose a dark shade like this. I love the shade. It is very creamy and the texture is quite good. It is a matte finish lipstick but not too drying as well. So I do like the lipstick a lot. I am very happy to receive this. Then moving to skincare, we have got 2 products from Vadi Herbals. First one here is this pure honey lemon face wash with jojoba beads. The cost of this product is 55 rupees. Manufacturing date is September 2017, 3 years from manufacture, so quite a long way to go. Directions are as usual and here are the key ingredients. I do not see any chemicals here. So it is actually a herbal product even though the pricing is quite low. It says lemon balances oil, lightens stones and marks. Honey moisturizes skin, fights acne, and here are some claims of the product. Here is how the product looks like. It is yellow in color like a yellow gel and it has some green or black color beads inside this. It has a very nice citrusy fragrance. I love the fragrance. I believe this is going to foam quite well as well. So I am happy to receive this. Mostly I'll be using it during summers, but since it says it is moisturizing as well, so maybe I'll give it a try right away. Let's see how that works. And then here we have this Wadi Herbal's Rich Velvety Moisturizing Lotion with pink rose extract. It is a 110 ml product and the cost of this product is 64 rupees, manufactured in November 2017, expiry is October 2020. Here are the key ingredients and the claims of the product. The pink rose is supposed to rebalance skin's moisture content, and goat milk conditions and softens skin. In the directions they say apply all over the face, arms and neck in the morning and night. Makes a perfect makeup base, so you can apply this on your face or your body as well. Mostly I'll be using it as a body lotion, but you can use it as a face moisturizer as well. This product has a lotiony consistency. It has a slight pinkish tint to it and it has a very pleasant fragrance, a very nice floral fragrance, that of roses. So definitely a good product for me. I will be using it as a body lotion. And then the last skincare product here has come very nicely packaged like this. It is in a heart shape and it comes with this note. So this is a bath melt in the variant Rose Mystery. In the ingredients it has rose oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, baking soda, vitamin E oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, food coloring and beeswax. Directions for use is while bathing, pour warm water into bucket or bathtub and put a piece or whole of bath melt into it. Use that water for bathing and get smooth, soft and silky skin. So this is quite a unique product. I did like the concept. It is kind of like a bath bomb, but it is more towards a moisturizing bath bomb. The expiry of this product is just 3 months from manufacture, which is on 27th of December 2017. And the MRP of this product is 300 rupees for the 50 grams product. I actually like the packaging of this product a lot, so I am quite happy, and it has a unique concept. It is not a bath salt, it is not a bath bomb, it is something else, it is a bath melt. So I'm definitely excited to try that out. And finally we have 2 jewelry pieces inside this. So the first piece of jewelry is so pretty. It's very beautiful. It is having a silver color leaf and a woolen red color ball in between. I absolutely love this. This is totally my style. I'm definitely very happy to receive this. It is lightweight and it is quite a stylish design. You can wear this with both ethnic and western outfits. And then I have this blue and rust gold color earrings from Adorebella. So this is how they look like. They have some beads at the start, then they have this thread work in blue, and at the end they have these rust gold color leaves. It is not very shiny gold color, it is a very muted gold color, which I absolutely love. And the design is quite pretty. It will go with western outfits as well. If you are wearing a one-piece blue color dress, this is going to suit with that as well. But of course it is best for suits and kurtis in blue color. It is very pretty. So those were all the products in my January Thai Beauty bag. It is a personalized bag this month, as you can choose the lipstick shade, bag color and 1 pair of earrings this month. This month again we have an e-info card, so here are the individual pricing details. The Organistic lipstick, we already read the price as 299 rupees. You have a choice of shade for this. There are 2 earrings from Adorebella. The first blue and golden earrings are for 350 and the other earring, which is of your choice, is for 160. I have chosen the leaf and the red ball one. We read the prices of the Wadi Herbal products as well. The moisturizing lotion is for 64 rupees and the pure honey lemon face wash is for 55 rupees. The Elixir Secrets Rose Bath Melt price was also mentioned as rupees 300. So the total worth of all the 6 products come to around 1200 rupees, plus we have the bag of quite good quality. So including that, definitely the total worth would go above 1600 rupees, but the bag is priced at half that price, that is rupees 799 including shipping. So if you like the products, it's a pretty good deal, I would say. I definitely like this bag, especially because of the sling bag and the lipstick, because it was in a shade of my choice as well. The face wash and moisturizer, even though quite affordable, are very useful products. You need a body lotion, and face wash we use like twice daily. Jewelry was good quality too. I did like the jewelry. So surely it is a value for money bag. If any of you are interested in getting this bag for yourself, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.